Welcome to Mondays with Melissa. Happy New Year, happy holidays. I want to talk today a little bit about why estate planning should be on your list of New Year's resolutions. These are the things that we want to do to make life better for ourselves, to make life better for our families, and estate planning should definitely be on the list. And I certainly have plenty of people that come into me saying just that they've been putting this off and pushing this off and they need to get it done. So let's just talk about a little bit about estate planning and why it's so important. So estate planning is putting documents in place to make sure that anything that happens is kind of covered or can be taken care of. So like a power of attorney where you name someone to make financial decisions for you if you can't make your own, a healthcare proxy so someone can make healthcare decisions for you if you can't make your own, your will, which kind of dictates what happens with your assets when you pass away. And then a lot of times people will also consider doing some sort of trust, whether it's a revocable trust to avoid probate. It could be a special needs trust if there is a child or another loved one with special needs, you want to make sure they're protected. Or maybe it's an irrevocable trust and you're doing some tax planning if you are in that asset range, or maybe you're doing some asset protection planning for long-term care or Medicaid. So regardless of which of these documents, or maybe you need to do all of them, it's really important to kind of get it moving, get it off the ground. And what we do is we offer a free consultation. We send you a questionnaire to fill out, get all your information down into one place, and then we have an initial consultation with that document filled out and go over your specific situation, circumstances, questions. Every case is different. We really need to sit down and have a conversation about all of the things that go into drafting these documents. Who you plan to name and why. Maybe you have questions about who's the right person to name for financial decisions or healthcare decisions. And of course, we'll weigh in and give you our opinion and kind of lay out maybe different scenarios that have happened to help you make the right choice for you. And then we'll talk about your financial situation and whether or not we're in a tax planning situation or if we're in a asset protection planning scenario, and go over who all of the players will be, your executors, your trustees, who you want to leave your assets to, do you want to leave them outright or in trust, and then we will prepare the documents based on that conversation and send you out the drafts to review. And you'll review them and come back in to have another meeting with us and go over the documents, go over any questions that you have, any changes that you want to make, any information that was missing maybe we need to get, and then we'll put the documents in final and have you come back in for a final appointment to sign everything. So you will really be able to, have 3 meetings with the attorney to go over and make sure everything is exactly the way that you want it. So, takeaway is that every case is different, depends on you, your circumstances, your family makeup, where you are in your life. Are you just starting out, getting married, having children, or are you closer to retirement? Or perhaps you have some healthcare issues already going on. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you have a plan. That plan's going to look different depending on where you are in your life, but we're going to help you come up with the right plan for you. So again, I wish you the happiest of holidays and a happy, healthy new year, and make sure we're number 1 on that list of New Year's resolutions. Actually, make sure you're number 1 because it's for you. All right, take care, everybody. We'll see you next year.